So, what's up ulit guys? So, yes, ang tagal po natin na hindi po nakita. So, maglalaro po tayo ng horror game. Ang pangalan ay Sandel Bulong Revenge. So, yes, start na po natin. What the? Okay. So, wow. Hello!
Bro, tagal ang katawan kan? Kailan ka begitu?
Okay din.
Uwi ka naman ako.
Okay. Palitan natin ang walang flashlight. Ngenge. Laglag. Hello? Hello? Who is this? Who are you now? Where are you now? Hello? Nasaan ka ba? Mume! Hello? Laglag! Hello? Laglag. Wala akong makita. Wala akong nakita guys. Like somewhere. Hello? It's nothing. Back to bedroom. Hello? 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 Oh, wala daw. Back to bedroom. Hello? Wait, bakit parang may motor dito sa harapan ko, ha? Diyan ba yun kanina? Sabi ko nga po. Hello? Saan ba yan? Saan ba yan? Okay, balik tayo sa... Hello, wait lang! Opo, andyan na, wait lang! Hello? No one here. Back to the bedroom. Well, thank you. Oh, bedroom. Pinasok ko lang yung masamang espiritu. Ah! Hello? Hello? Oh dang! Oh dang! Oh dang! Wait. What is this? Oh, plate! Anong magandang plate? Magandang plate. Mamaya ka muna, mamaya kita titingnan. What is this? Thank you. Mayon, ata na yun. Oh, boom. Oh, nawala, naglag. Nawala na. Okay. Uy, dang! Oh! Uy! Oh, dang! CR, sa CR. Okay. Ngek. Nawala guys. Malaki. Gek. Okay, nasa na tayo? Okay, flashlight. Find a way out. Naglalag ka ba? Boss. Uy! Saan tayo pupunta? Siyempre sa pinto. Wala talaga makita. Okay. Oh. Sa kabila. Dito nga sa kabila. Nakalap. Tapos ayaw din lang naman. Ayun, sabi nga. Okay, wow. Okay, door key. Thank you. Saan na yan? No. Oh, dang. Lang. Inayos ko yung kamay ko. Madilim eh. Wala akong makita oh. What is this? Box. Box. Wow. Amazing box. Ito. Yo man. Wongchi. Shoot gamer. Shoot gamer. Ito. Chan. Hello? Diyan, delay. Wala akong makita. Yagdanan nga. Sabi ko nga po. Malupitang. Uy, naglag. Hello? Ano ba yun? Okay, so pa tayo. Uy, naglag na naman. Nagugulit. Uy, gago! Puti lang, na-delay. Uy, dang! What is this? Whoa! Who are you? Para lang kuto dyan. Oh, dang. Well, thank you. Well, bababa na po. Opo, ito na. Anong bababa? Diyan ka na lang. Ito ba yun? Thank you. Hello! What is this? A box. A cardboard box. Hello? No! Excuse me. Uy, naglag! Oy! Ang dilim! Hindi ako makita. Okay, so far so good. Uy! Huwag kang maglag. Ano gagawin? Putay! Nawala. Op. Eh. Oh, patay ka na. You're dang good. Okay. Ito eh. Ayaw buksan. Hotdog. So, sinemento yung nasa likod. Binuksan. Nakita niya ako. Ano to? Indonesia. Indonesia nga. English. At that time, I was playing games on the computer. Not long after, suddenly smell just jasmine flower in my room. Then I tried to go out to check to see if anyone was wearing perfume or fragrance. After I checked outside the house and there was no smell. I checked in the living room, there was also no smell. I checked all the rooms and there was no smell. Considering the next to my house is close to the cemetery. People say that if the smell of jasmine, usually there are creatures mm, that come like kontilanak. Kontilanak. Sana tama yung pagbigkas ko. Then after I check all the rooms, I check also my brother's room and ask, "Do you smell jasmine?" And he replied, "I don't smell anything." After that, I invite my brother to check my room and turned out that only my room smelled of jasmine. Because of that incident, I immediately decided to stop playing games and go straight to bed. When I wanted when I wanted to sleep, jasmine smell uh, was still there until I fell asleep. Uling ko. Because of that incident, immediately decided to stop playing games and go straight to bed. When I wanted to sleep, the jasmine smell was still there until I fell asleep. After last night incident, the next day suddenly one of the residents in my village died. Hmm. I also assume it because of last night incident. It's a sign. I also try to think positively, maybe faith from God. Anong kulit ko? Naglalaro lang ako. Uy, 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 uy! Palakasan natin yung volume. Uy, 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 uy! Huwag ka makulit. Hello! Hello! Oh, damn. No, no. Oh! Oh, 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 oh! These days. How to find someone. Ano? Okay. Okay, so meron na ng letter. Ano to? Okay, Indonesia. English. And English. At that time campus was holding an art performance. And then event was on the first floor. I happened to be on the floor and I was hiding to the first floor to watch art performance. When on the way to the first floor, I passed room A, where the room was locked, and in it there was a projector. When I passed to A room, I saw the projector turn its on, but instead of off it on or blinking within 3 seconds. After seeing that incident, I rushed to run to the first floor. Okay? After seeing that incident, I hurried to run to the first floor. After arriving, I asked my friend, "Hey, on the fourth floor in room A, there is someone using the projector." Then my friend was surprised and then answered, "Using the projector? Room A was locked so no one could enter." I was surprised how cool the projector turned on by itself. Then who turned on the projector? My friend answered, "In room A, it's haunted place and many horror stories in that place." Okay. Oh, tapos, what is this? Well, thank you. Oy. Nakuha ko na nga, di ba? Baka upo ako. Sit down. Plaking. Thank you. Oy! 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 Oh! Oy! 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 Anong binchiling, ha? Binchiling gig, 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 gig. Panty nga. Panty. Wala kang panty. Nope. Okay. So far, so good. Takbo! 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 Oh, dang! Oh, dang! Oh, oh, oh! Hello? Oh, dang. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, dead. Uy, 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 uy. Patay na ako. No, 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 no. Hello? Hello? Oh, damn. What ka? Galit? Uy, ba't ka galit? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Saan yan? Oh, damn. What is this? Nezuko-chan! Nezuko-chan! Ito, hindi ko nakilala ito. Ito si Yuri. Yuri. Pili ka na. So guys, kung anime girl, anime fan ka, oh, tayo na to. Okay, so far so good. Walang nangyayari. Okay. Oh, dang! Oh! Siguro sa kanya to. Oh, shush. Oh, shush. Who are you? Who is you? Who is you? Hello? Hello? Baka nga? Baka nga? Hello? Baka nga? Wait lang. Uy, uy, uy. Oh, dang! Oh, dang! Oy, oy, oy! Uy, naglag. Naglag siya, boss. Uy, uy. Ano ka? Ano ka? Hello? So far, so good. So far, so good. Oh, dang. Tama. May lang. Gusto ko pang tignan tong ate. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Ang papangit. Okay. Manny Pacquiao ba to? Okay, so mga Korean fan dyan, ano na? Nope. Oh, tabo. Uy, uy, huwag kang mag-lag. Wala na yung mumu. Well, thank you. What is this? At the time on the campus, there was an event, and 12 p.m. the event was over. I was assigned to return the boot to the 8th floor. When I used the elevator to go to 8th floor, there I pressed the 8th floor button and the elevator started to go up. Suddenly, the elevator stopped and opened on the 6th thought, did someone deliberately press the elevator from the 6th floor? But there was no one here, so I pressed the button for the 8th floor again, and the elevator started rising again. After arriving at the 8th floor, I started to return the items and return to the elevator. At that time, I saw that the elevator come from the 10th floor, even though there was nothing on the 10th floor, and on the 10th floor there was no button for the elevator. If you wanted to go to the 10th floor, you had to press the button from the elevator. At that time, at that point, hindi na ako nakapagsalita ng maayos. At that point, I wonder who took the elevator from the 10th floor. When the elevator reached the 8th floor and the elevator opened, there was no one inside. After that, I hurried back to the ground floor. When I arrived at the ground floor, I had time to look at the 10th floor and I saw a big black shadow. From the top floor, I don't know what it was. Oh, dang. So, alam mo na yun. Hello? Okay, uy. Oh, dang it. Ano to? Hello? Oh. Wala kang panty. Oh. Oh, dang. Thank you. Bakit ba sinurado? Oh, thank you. Well, hello. Okay, dyan ka na. Ah! Ang tagal mo! Nandyan na! Yung kabila, boss! Yung kabila! Umayun! Ayun, thank you. Oh! Ano na? Okay, sana tayo? Oh, dang. Oh, won. Uy, nabablock. Okay. Ano to? Okay, so guys, Okay guys, so dito muna natin tatapusin tong Sandel Bulong Revenge. So guys, kung nagustuhan itong video ito, so please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next episode. Peace. Boy!